Well, hi, we're starting a new project. This furnace back here is going to get a hydronic coil in it, and we're going to use this vent coming out of the furnace. This is a 120-year-old home. The homeowners don't want to ruin the outside of the house with another vent. We just don't have a good place to put one that stays within code. So we're going to utilize this one vent with a combination space heating boiler and on-demand hot water, and we're going to hang it on this wall over here, so we're close to the furnace, utilize the one vent, and we're going to get started. The first thing I'm going to do today is rip the guts out of this guy and try to get the coil set in. So we'll see. I got a couple hours to work on it today. We'll see how far we get. Okay, so pretty much everything in here is coming out. Now, where to put you guys? Okay, so I thought I'd do the world a favor and do this in time lapse, but I put it in time photo, and I'll see what I can get out of it. If I don't get anything out of it, you'll understand why I'm telling you this. But so far I'm just trying to rip out all the wiring and everything, and not rip it out. Because batteries last forever. At first you don't see, try a different saw. Well, this heat exchanger isn't in bad shape at all. I'm a little concerned about those water stains there because it's on all 3 cells. But all in all, the secondary looks beautiful. Primaries look all right. So that's a good thing. Yeah, I'm betting from the caulk on the bottom that we were fighting that this heat exchanger has been replaced. When, I don't know, but I'm betting. It can't look that new after 27 years. Okay, so now we got a big empty cavern. There's the air conditioning coil. There's the blower motor. And then I got in this little box, let me open it and we'll get right back to you. So this coil, we're going to shove in that hole and build up around it so that we see a lot. This is going to be the new heat exchanger, and we're going to feed it with water, hot water from the boiler, that we're going to hang on that wall. So it's quite purely by accident. I ordered the coil for this, and I knew it was a 20 by 20 coil, but I didn't pay too much attention to the overall dimensions. The overall length is 24 by 20, and as it happens, our dimensions inside the furnace are 21 by 24. Which is great, because that allows me to take this. So now I can measure for these and stub these out the side of the furnace over here. So we'll have to measure, cut holes, and then the boiler's going here. So we'll be right into where we need to be. And that should work out great. I really expected that I was going to be doing more tin work inside here. And in case you're wondering, yes, we could just change to an air handler, but right now the air conditioning is working fine, and we think we can get a couple, several more years out of it. It's fairly new, not fairly new, but it's quite a bit newer than the furnace. So we would have to change the coil to what's going on inside the air handler, and that means we'd have to change the condenser outside. The condenser outside is R22, which we can't do anything with. We can't buy R22 equipment anymore, so we would have to change that. So we're kind of using this as an air handler now, and then later on, when it does come time to change the coil and the condenser for air conditioning, we'll go ahead and change to an air handler at that point. What I found, inch and 5/8, inch and 9/16. Wait, inch and inch and 3/4, maybe, I don't know. It's somewhere in there, but it's a little bit bigger than what we need. Oh, did I do this wrong? All right, 2 3/4. Right, 2 3/4 by 2. Two. Okay. 18. Inch and 1/8. So we're gonna be right closer. Okay. Okay, let's try to get this guy first. Kind of strange. Oh, look at that. Guess we better fix that, huh? How did it get bent? Gotta take this guy to the old vice grip garage here. Why won't it come out? I don't know. I think it's supposed to come out. Gotta be real happy if it just kind of came out like it was supposed to. Oh, look at that. Let's see if we can. Let's see, where's my Tanya Harding? Here. Whoa! Too much there, Kimosabi. Better. One. Two. Most guys would take the guesswork out of this by putting a line in here, but I'm going to keep the guesswork there and try to put some more screws in this to hold that up, keep it up. I think I'll be alright. As long as I don't hit the coil, we'll be fine. Let's see what I got. Ha! Made it. And this is the wrong way in this one, but I can't get my screw gun in between the ductwork there, but it's all right. Okay, I made this piece. I thought I had hit record and showed you how I made it, but I didn't. But what I got going on here then is this is gonna fit in down here. Okay, up here like this, and I can screw it up. I'm just gonna get a piece of S-cleat now, or standing S-cleat, and put it behind here so it's nice and tight. Got a piece here, and I think if we get that in, caulked, sealed in nice, should be just fine. This coil's probably made in Wisconsin. Thanks, cheeseheads. Well, I couldn't find my Saskatchewan chrome, but I did find some Upper Peninsula UP chrome here. Got some Upper chrome. It's a little wrinklier, but I think it'll work. Maybe we'll take some of that off. But I'm just go ahead and, this doesn't look the prettiest, but we're just trying to seal this off. And so I'll lay a bead of caulk down here and just tape this off. And because we got the covers that'll still go on it, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, but because it's not a train anymore. I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. But just going to lay some of this out. Seal this guy off. Can't get the wrinkles out of it. There we go, some real chrome. UP chrome. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is take out the blower and change the motor in it. I know. Where's your socket set? I don't need a stinking socket set. Okay, another shot. What do we hang up on now? Thanks a lot. So we got quite a bit accomplished. You know, everything's capped up. Next time we're going to be hanging the boiler, doing some process piping, get the hot and cold straightened out. Maybe not necessarily in that order, but a little more stuff to see in the next couple of videos. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to bringing you the next ones.